everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Jaipur city. Jaipur is the capital of the state of Rajasthan in India. It is also known as the Pink City because many buildings are pink in color. Jaipur was founded by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II in 1727. The city is famous for its beautiful palaces and forts. Hawa Mahal, or the Palace of Winds, is a famous landmark in Jaipur. Amber Fort is another popular tourist attraction in the city. Jaipur is known for its colorful markets selling jewelry, textiles, and handicrafts. The city has a rich cultural heritage and hosts many festivals. Jaipur is part of the Golden Triangle tourist circuit along with Delhi and Agra. It is a popular destination for people who love history, architecture, and culture. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.